Hi students. Okay, today in this lecture we will discussing the previous question paper, that is the end semester exam paper, and the last year mid to question paper. We will discussing the analysis of all questions from the given three units. It is unit 3, unit 4 and unit 6. Okay na? So with also, and I am giving some important questions from three units for mid to examination. Okay na? Do practice all these questions. Maximum 50 to 60% question will become same questions, and also important, and do practice the same model problems in the for mid exam and semester exams. Okay na? See that here. Hi students. Okay, so this is the last year second mid examination. Okay now, see that questions here from 48, the short questions. From unit 4, the first question is find the Maclaurin series expansion of log of 1 plus x. So this is one of the important question, series expansion. And the next question is state Rolle's theorem. Okay now, so next one from unit 5, solve dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to x square. So next one, state Newton's law of cooling. And from unit 6, solve y triple dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. So next question, find the particular integral of d square plus 4d plus 3 into y is equal to e power minus x. And this is a non-homogeneous equation. Finding the solution is yc plus yp, but in the question, short question given only finding yp finding, that is enough. Okay na? Not required finding yc. So this is a short question only from 3 units. This is a 2 marks question. Okay na? So similarly, the long question, see that? Yeah, long question 7th one is from unit 4, show that 5 by 6 plus 1 by 5 into root 3 less than sin inverse 3 by 5 less than 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2 by using Lagrange's mean value theorem. This is the, already I told, this is the important question. This type of 3 problems. So next one, cos inverse problem and tan inverse problem. So this is from 3 questions. Maximum 1 question is will be guarantee question. Okay na? Last year given sin inverse. Okay na? So next one from unit 5. Yeah, unit 5 again 2 questions here, A and B. So 3 marks here. Okay. So that is equal the number of n bacteria in the culture grow at a rate proportional to n. The value of n was initially 100 and it is increased to 332 in 1 hour. What is the value of n after 1.5 hour? This is one of the long question law first question. So this is the by using the properties law of nature growth or decay. Okay, nature growth problem. So next one, yeah, 8 below second question, 3 marks question. Solve x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube into dy is equal 0. This is using this homogeneous equation and non-exact equation, the method to using. Okay na? Don't using y by x is equal to v. This is a no in our syllabus, the method, homogeneous equation method. So this problem can be solved by the exact non-exact differential equation by using method 2. Okay na? This is also important question. Okay, so next one, 9th question from unit 6, solve d square plus 1 into y is equal secant x by the method of variation of parameter. So this is also very important method from unit 6. Maximum given question secant x tan x maximum ఇవే ఇస్తుంటారండి. మ్యాక్సిమం లేదంటే లాస్ట్ ఎండ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో కూడా డిఫరెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు. సో మిడ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో మేబీ secant x or cosec x రావచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకేనా, మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ వేరియేషన్ ఆఫ్ పారామీటర్. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్, 10th క్వశ్చన్ from unit 4, find the C of Cauchy's mean value theorem for f of x is equal sin x and g of x is equal to cos x. And also one question, guarantee question from the Cauchy's mean value theorem, finding the C of Cauchy's theorem. Okay na, this is also important. So next one, 10th B. So 10th B lo solve 2x minus y plus 1 into dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 into dy is equal to 0. This is a simple question only. So this is a form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. This is exact or non-exact? First to verify. Okay, this is exact outundi. Direct we have to finding the solution. Okay, now this is also important question, the short question. And we need 6. Solve d square plus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to cos x. Okay, now so this is also one of the question from unit 6. This is cos bx form andi avuna. D square place lo minus 1 square replacing b is equal to 1 here. Okay na. So this is the last year mid to question paper. So everyone do practice all these questions, and the kind of maximum maybe రావచ్చు, maybe same questions will come in the next mid exam too. Okay na. Do practice all question, don't forget. So next one, okay na. This is last year semester end exam and external examination. This is last year March 16th రోజు. So see that here some questions here. So that is equal to here. First question is from the symmetric, write the symmetric matrix for the quadratic form. This is unit 3 and the question. Okay na, from unit 3 question. And the second one, calculate C value of Cauchy's mean value theorem. Given log x and 1 by x and f of x is equal to log x, g of x is equal to 1 by x in the interval 1 comma e. Okay na. So next third question is state Newton's law of cooling. Okay, చూడండి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ మిడ్ టు ఎక్స్ వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం సేమ్ వచ్చాయి. చూడండి స్టేట్ న్యూటన్స్ లా ఆఫ్ కూలింగ్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ వచ్చింది మనకి. ఓకేనా, స్టేట్ న్యూటన్స్ లా ఆఫ్ కూలింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సో ఫైండ్ ది కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ of the given homogeneous equation d square y by dx square minus 4 into dy by dx plus 5 into y is equal to 0. So this is one of the question from unit 6. Okay, so next one, question 5. Question 5 is the unit 2, unit 1. Show that the matrix is Hermitian matrix. So next one, unit 2 nunchi find the eigenvalues of a cube where the given a. Okay na. So this is a short question and 2 marks question. Next see that long question. Long question lo 7th a question. There are 4 marks ఇచ్చారండి. Discuss the rank and nature of the quadratic form. So this is a given converted to the quadratic matrix form, that is a symmetric form. Okay, and second question is also the given quadratic form is reduced to the so that is reduced to the canonical form, and that is sum of the squares by using Lagrange's reduction. This is one of the given method. So first one is the by using eigenvalues. Eigenvalues find out chesi depend on the types of eigenvalues, that is a finding rank and nature. Okay na. So next in the 7th law second question, or by applying orthogonal transformation reduce the quadratic form. So the given quadratic form is convert to canonical form, and also finding rank, index and nature. So next one, verify Rolle's theorem for the function sin x by e power x in 0,5 interval. So this is also given in the important question only. Okay, now already I told in the class. And second question here, write the series of f of x is equal log of 1 plus x in powers of x. This is also question, same question will come in mid 2 and last year. End exam లో సేమ్ వచ్చింది క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. సో log of 1 plus is the important question. Write the series expansion in powers of x అన్నట్టు, అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ Maclaurin series expansion about x is equal 0 in powers of x. Okay na. So next one here, this is also important question. Apply Lagrange's mean value theorem to prove. So that is equal to here cos inverse ఇచ్చారు చూడండి మనకి మిడ్ 2 లో sin inverse వచ్చింది. సో ఎండ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో cos inverse 3/5. Okay na. So this 3 questions are very very important: sin inverse, cos inverse and tan inverse. Okay na. See the next one. Yeah, 9th question. So this is from unit 5 and solve the first order non-exact differential equation. 2xy into dy minus of x square plus y square plus 1 into dx is equal 0. So this is non-exact differential equation only. So solving by the which method? Verified, method 4 or method 5. Okay na? So next one, the temperature of cup of milk is 92 degrees when freshly fed. It is placed in a room of temperature 24 degrees Celsius. In 1 minute, it was cooled to 80 degrees Celsius. Determine the time at which the temperature of cup of milk drops to 65 degrees Celsius. And that is equal by using Newton's law of cooling, and you're finding the time. Okay, now this is also one of the important question. And ninth question or choice question. Solve the first order linear differential equation. X into x minus 1 into dy by dx minus y into x square into x minus 1 whole square. This is a linear equation. Okay, now first of all converted to linear form after finding the solution. Okay, now so in this one, next question given, bacteria in a culture grows exponentially so that initial number has doubled in 3 hours. How many times in the initial number will be present after 9 hours? This is also one of the question from law of natural growth or decay. Okay, now this is one of the important questions from unit 5. Okay, now so next one from the unit 6, solve the second order linear differential equation. D square plus 4 into y is equal to e power x plus sin 2x minus 4 cos 3x. Okay, now this is a second order non-linear differential equation, that is non-homogeneous linear differential equation. Okay, now so in this one, choice the given, make use the method of variation of parameter to solve the linear differential equation, that is d square y by dx square minus y is equal to by 1 plus e power x. This is also one of the model in this method. Tan x secant x or cosecant x, and this is one of the another model. So method of variation parameter is a very important question. Okay, na? So next one, 11th question is given from unit 1. Apply Gauss-Jordan method to finding the inverse of the matrix. Second one, find the rank of the matrix by using echelon form. Okay, na? In this one, choice given, solve the system of non-homogeneous linear equation. Okay, and 12th question is from units 2. So that is eigenvalues eigenvectors lo question. Apply Cayley-Hamilton theorem, find a power for the matrix only. So in the second question given, show that the matrix is unitary matrix. Okay, na? And in this choice question given, reduce the matrix to diagonal form by using model matrix of A. So this is a diagonal matrix or not, first verify if diagonalization converted to diagonal matrix. So this is the last year end exam question paper. Okay, na? So this is also important question. Practice these two questions, all questions. Okay. Okay. So now I am giving some important questions than other previous question with the same questions and other some important questions from each unit I am giving. Okay, na? So do practice all these problems also. So see that video up to ending. Okay, na? So units 4, 5, 6 nunchi all important question I am giving. So from this question, maximum 60 to 70% same questions will come in the mid to examination and end exams also. Maximum 50 to 70% same questions will come from these questions. Okay, now see that first of all, unit 4, single variable calculus. So that is equal to here first question. So state Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem and Cauchy's mean value theorem. Okay, na? This is one of the question. Next question, explain geometrical view of Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem. Next one, define Taylor series and Maclaurin series expansions. So next one, verify Rolle's theorem for f of x is equal to e power x into sin x in minus 5, 5 interval. Next question, verify Rolle's theorem for f of x is equal to mod x in the interval minus 1 comma 1. Okay, show that 5 by 6 plus 1 by 5 into root 3 less than sine inverse of 3 by 5 less than 5 by 6 plus 1 by 8. Already I told same question, sine inverse and cos inverse. You know, similarly show that 5 by 4 plus 3 by 25 less than tan inverse 4 by 3 less than 5 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Okay, na? So remaining continuation. Okay, don't neglecting this question. Do practice all these questions. Maximum 50 to 70% same question will come. Okay. So next continuation, 8th question. So in the cos inverse only, show that 5 by 3 minus 1 by 8 less than cos inverse of 3 by 5 less than 5 by 3 minus root 3 by 15. Okay. Next question, verify Cauchy's mean value theorem for the functions f of x is equal to log x, g of x is equal to 1 by x in 1 comma e interval. Next question, find the c value of Cauchy's mean value theorem for f of x is equal to root x and f of x is equal to 1 by root x in the interval a comma b where 0 less than a less than b. Next one, obtain Taylor series expansion of sin x in powers of x minus 5 by 4. So next one, find the Maclaurin series expansion of the function f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x. Okay, so series expansion lo sometimes given the question is find the series expansion under. Write the series expansion in powers of x or in powers of x minus a. So that depend on x minus a powers mean Taylor series. In powers of x means Maclaurin series. Adi. Okay na? So next question. So find the Maclaurin series expansion of the function f of x is equal to 1 plus x power n. So this is the some 13 important question from the unit 4. Okay. Do practice all these 13 questions. Maximum 50% to 70% same question will come in the examination. Okay na? Okay, see that next one, unit 5. So unit 5, first order ordinary linear differential equations. So the first question is defined linear and Bernoulli's differential equations. Solve. So 2xy into dy minus of x square minus y square plus 1 into dx is equal to 0. Solve 2x minus y plus 1 into dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 into dy is equal to 0. Next, solve y dx plus x dy is equal to x dx dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. So next one, solve x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube into dy is equal to 0. Solve 2xy dy minus of x square plus y square plus 1 into dx is equal to 0. Next one, solve y power 4 plus 2y plus into dx plus xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x into dy is equal to 0. Solve x into dy by dx plus y is equal to log x. Solve 1 minus x square into dy by dx plus xy is equal to ax. Solve x plus 2y cube into dy by dx is equal to y. So this is some questions. Next continuation. So yeah, 11th one. So from the Newton's law of cooling, a body is originally at 80 degrees Celsius and it cools down to 60 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes. If the temperature of the air 40 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. Okay na? Next one, if the air is maintained at 20 degrees Celsius and the temperature of the body cools from 100 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes, find the temperature of the body after 20 minutes. If the temperature of the air is 30 degrees Celsius and the substance cools from 100 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius in 15 minutes, find when the temperature will be 40 degrees Celsius. And now finding here time. Okay. Next one. In certain culture of bacteria, the rate of increase is proportional to the number present. If it is found that number doubles in 4 hours, how many may be expected at the end of 12 hours? And by using law of nature growth. Okay, na? So this is 15th one. State Newton's law of cooling and law of nature growth. And short questions are manaki. Okay, na? So this is some important questions from unit 5. Okay, na? Do practice all these questions. So maximum 50 to 70 questions, 70% questions will be come in the mid exams and end exams. Okay. See the next one. So unit 6, higher order ordinary linear differential equations. First one, solve y triple dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. Find the complementary function of d cube minus 14d plus 8 into y is equal to 0. Next one, write the complementary function with the auxiliary equation have the roots 3 minus 2y and 2 plus 3i. This is also some 2 marks question, important question. Given roots, then write the directly complementary function. Okay, na? So 3 minus 2i ante manaki its conjugate is the root 2. Avuna? 3 plus or minus 2i is also roots. Next one, 2 plus 3i roots means 2 minus 3i is also root. And 3 plus or minus 2i roots and 2 plus or minus 3i. This is the 2 types of complex roots. Write the directly complementary function. Okay. That is YC. Next one, solve d square plus 1 into whole square into y is equal 0. Next one, solve d cube y by dx cube minus 5 into d square y by dx square plus 8 into dy by dx minus 4y is equal to e power 2x. Next one, solve d square minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to cos hx. Next one, solve d square plus 4 into y is equal to sin 2x. Next one, d square minus 4 into y is equal to 2 cos square x. Ninth one, d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to e power 2x plus x plus sin 3x. Okay. So next continuation, remaining questions. Yeah, next one, solve d square plus d plus 1 into y is equal to x cube. Next one, d square plus, solve d square plus 1 into y is equal to e power x into x square. Solve d square plus 4d plus 3 into y is equal to e power minus x into sin x plus x. Solve d square plus 4 into y is equal to x sin x. Next, find the general solution of d square minus 1 into y is equal to x square cos x. Solve d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to x into e power x into sin x. Next one, solve d square y by dx square plus y is equal to cosecant x by the method of variation of parameters. Next one, solve y double dash plus y is equal to secant x by the method of variation of parameters. Next, solve d square minus 2d plus 2 into y is equal to e power x into tan x by the method of variation of parameters. So this is the questions from unit 6. Okay, total unit 4, 5, 6 I am giving the some important questions. Maximum from these questions will come in the mid exams and the semester exams. Maximum 50 to 70% questions. Okay, na? Don't neglecting, do practice all and do it all problems. Okay, na? Okay. And all of you, I am requesting to all you who see this video, please do subscribe and like and share it to others. And if you subscribe to my channel. Please encourage me. Okay na? Thank you very much.